incubation opportunity for students and faculties who are early stage entrepreneurs. So is so we will just start with basics like what is entrepreneurship, or like what is entrepreneur. So some of you don't know this terminology. We can just give some idea to you that in startup worlds that these words are very like common. So basically it's a act of being an entrepreneur. So in a Wikipedia, if you see this, it defines that entrepreneur is the one who undertakes the innovation, finance, business acumen in a effort to transform some innovation into economic goods. So you have seen many of the entrepreneurs well known. I have picked up some of the photos from the net. So if one can take the risk and bring the innovation out of their idea, and they can change the world. So this is basically the entrepreneurship. And to become a successful entrepreneur, one should have various skill sets like technical skills, domain specific, like what domain. If you are a mechanical engineer, you should have good mechanical skills, and it will help you to build something like a product which requires certain mechanical skills. Same way, whatever idea you have, and you want to start some business out of it, you should have certain kind of skill set with you. Then it is easy to convert idea to product. Then second thing is the communication. Like you should good in communication. You can easy to express your idea into words, and you can teach the idea to the particular investor, or you can teach the idea to customer. So that way communication skill also very much important. Then coordinating in a team, when you are working in a when you are forming one organization or startup, you have to interact with many people, right? So you need a good kind of coordination with the team. You have to build the team. You have to interact with many departments in your company. So the team formation is also very much important, and their interpersonal relations also matters. So these kind of skills are required as a technical skill. Then same way business management, right? So business management, like you should be good in planning. You should be good in decision making, marketing, fundraising, negotiation, accounting. So many such skills are like one should have. Either they should learn and build themselves, or they just enroll such kind of courses and learn like MBA or like business administration, some small course you can pick up from the Udemy and learn these skill sets, and that way it will help you to start the entrepreneurship journey. And entrepreneurial skills, like you should be good. You should have that risk-seeking ability. You should have you should think like how to bring the innovation out of something. Then you should have like a change orientation mindset. Like you if some problems you can find in your daily life, so how to bring the change there. So that kind of mindset also very much important. And the persistence, like you should keep doing some problems. When you are solving some problem, it's not easy to crack in a one day or something, right? So this persistence kind of skills also required. Visionary, you should be more visionary than other people. Then only the people will follow you, right? So this kind of skill sets are required to become a successful entrepreneur. So like, let's say the process. What is the process? Entrepreneurial process, right? So first, like I said, there is a idea. So you have to generate some idea, right? Then that idea, once you have, now you have to find the opportunity in market. You have to do some analysis, like whether that idea is sellable, or what is the market opportunity to sell this idea, or is it a different, or any existing products is available. So a lot of you can do the future data analytics, like you can search on the net, is it profitable business or not. So that kind of opportunity analysis one should do next. And after that things done, you should plan for development, right? how you will develop. Let's say the idea is very good, opportunity also big, but now the planning also very much important, right? So that is called development planning. And then after once you have some kind of planning, then you need a resources to execute those planning, right? So what all resources required, how much funds required, what kind of talent is required. So that kind of resources also you have to plan in this phase, collecting resources phase. And then you have to form an organization. You can register the startup, you can incubate in some place, or use first do the self funding, or maybe you can try to join some partner and start the organization. And that way you can start the business. And this is the cycle, the entrepreneurial process, right? Now the next thing is like, when you take up the entrepreneurship, there is like hidden advantage for a country, right? In that you are contributing directly to the economy. So that any country who are self-sustainable, if more entrepreneurs starting the business in that country, then the country will grow, GDP will grow, your country value will grow. So there are many advantages when you take up the entrepreneurship. So it will promote capital formation, it will create a large employment opportunity. You can improve your regional regional developments will start. You are creating the wealth, you are distributing the wealth, you are improving your living standard, you are exporting, then import-export trade will increase, you are contributing national GDP. So there are many advantages of doing the entrepreneurship. So those are the advantages when you take up this challenge, right? And and here other benefits is like for us, right? When you don't want to take up the job and you want to do like you have, if you want some idea is there, you want to work on that idea, so that freedom you will get, right, to pursue that vision. Then you have control and flexibility on your time, and then you are the boss of yourself, so you can decide what you want to do every day, right? So that freedom you will get. Then another thing is like opportunity of learning and gaining knowledge with this journey. So that is also very good benefit. While doing something, you will learn every day, and that way you grow up, and that way you will feel pride, right? So it will create pride, yourself, fulfillment. When you achieve something, you will feel good, right? So that, and all the credits comes to you. So you will get full rewards also, or your team will get full rewards, and you are the leader. Then you will have more advantage. You can highlight yourself at the top of the pyramid, right? So that all benefits are there. Confidence level will increase day by day. When you achieve something, your confidence also will increase, right? So these all are the benefits when you do the entrepreneurship. And every day it will be challenging. So when you like the challenge, you are risk taker. You want like freedom to do some work yourself, and like many opportunity you will get over a time. So these are the hidden benefits. And there are drawbacks. Wherever the benefits are there, there is a drawbacks also there, right? So one is like when you don't have, let's say, experience, then it's very little difficult to run the business. But it will get once you time pass, you will become a better and better, and then you can also gain the experience, and by gaining the experience you learn, and by mistake you will learn, and that way you will improve yourself. So that I think every entrepreneur when it starts journey, this kind of difficulty they will face. Second thing is like financing, right? It's very hard to finance yourself or finance to run business. So those are the challenges. But there are many solutions available. So, but once you know this like disadvantage, and we start solving those problems where the people fails, right? So if you know if we give you the some idea before itself that these are the challenges, then you will automatically think in that direction and you can avoid those problems, right? So that is the way like one should think. The like drawbacks is not like we should not take up the entrepreneurship. Like it's just giving you the idea that these are the challenges. Now you have to plan yourself and you have to come up with a solution, right? So that is the only the motive. My purpose to give you the idea. So no business, and the another thing is like you when you are not in business, you don't have many connections. So selling the idea or product to customer, finding the right customer, get the big contract, and the people management time, like you are getting less time for yourself when you are in a business, right? So these are some drawbacks of the entrepreneurship. So now we'll talk about startup. So what is startup? Let's say. So it's nothing but like kind of company, right? It's like a early stage young company where you have limited number of people or you have small team. So people like they like when your company is less than 4 years old, we can call it as a startup, right? And that time you are either developing some unique product or service, and you are bringing that in a market, and you are either disturbing that market, or you are replacing something, or you are giving the better option to customer. So that is like a startup, right? And the startup is rooted through the innovation. Like you either you are building something new out of something, or you are providing better products in a less price, and or maybe you are altogether doing something new. Like now this in the space sector, many companies started. They are doing new innovation. Even defense sector, even many like EV nowadays, electric vehicle. We have many companies started with that in that domain. So all this disturbing the market. Now we have more choice to select the products. So every startup is having this kind of elements, right? Now to generate